on Monday, her attorneys will try to gain sworn testimony from a woman who says Roy Kronk should be considered a suspect. He's the meter reader who found Caylee's remains and denies having anything to do with her death. West 2's Bob Keeling joins us live with more. And Bob, Kronk claims this woman has a pretty big axe to grind. How?
Yeah, Martha, her name is Jill Curley, and she is Roy Kronk's ex-wife. Casey's attorneys Monday will argue they need to get sworn testimony from her on videotape because she is sick up in Tennessee with cancer. During a turbulent marriage, his ex-wife Jill Curley says Roy Kronk twice restrained her with duct tape. Potentially significant because Caylee Anthony's skull had duct tape across the mouth. Casey's defense Monday will argue they should be allowed to introduce Curley's testimony that she believes Kronk should be considered a suspect in Caylee's death.
When you learned that Roy Kronk had found the remains of Caylee Anthony, what went through your mind?
That he had done it.
Done it meaning?
He probably was the one that had murdered Caylee Anthony or had something to do with it.
The last time he spoke out on the matter, Kronk denied doing anything but find Caylee's remains.
I know that I haven't done anything wrong, so I don't have a reason to be fearful or troubled by any of this.
Despite Kronk's denials, defense attorney Richard Hornsby says he believes it is likely Judge Stan Strickland will allow Casey's defense to introduce this unflattering testimony, and it could help introduce doubt into jurors' minds.
Most defense attorneys win their cases by challenging the credibility of the witnesses against their client.
Now, also on Monday, prosecutors will argue to get information they say Casey's defense has been keeping from them. We'll tell you what it is, all new at 5. Also on Monday, as we've been reporting, we should finally find out whether Casey has accepted a plea deal in her check fraud case. Martha?